Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study graphic design at home. First, immerse yourself in foundational design principles. Grasp concepts like hierarchy, balance, and contrast, which are crucial for effective visual communication. Next, delve into color theory, typography, and layout fundamentals. Understanding these elements forms the bedrock of your design education, preparing you for practical application. Now, let's dive into mastering essential software. Dedicate time to learning Adobe Photoshop for powerful image manipulation and editing tasks. Next, practice extensively with Adobe Illustrator to create scalable vector graphics and professional logos. Finally, utilize Adobe InDesign for crafting impressive page layouts and publishing projects, ensuring you cover a broad spectrum of design applications. Building a compelling portfolio is your next critical step. Develop diverse projects that clearly showcase your various design skills and creative range. Aim to include at least 5 to 7 of your strongest pieces, ensuring each demonstrates a different facet of your abilities. Present your work professionally with clear, concise descriptions that explain your design process and objectives. Continuous learning is vital for long-term success in graphic design. Stay updated with current design trends, emerging technologies, and new software features. Actively seek constructive feedback on your work from peers and experienced mentors to refine your skills. Consider enrolling in online courses or workshops to deepen your knowledge and explore specialized areas, fostering ongoing professional growth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.